What's going on, YouTube? Show y'all how to do this trip planner. I got my coordinates here. Exactly where I want to go. I'm picking up right here. And what I'm doing is, you see this yellow road right here? Well, this, you only see one line. I'm trying to make sure that my GPS stay on this truck route until I get all the way back down here to the interstate right here, which is the yellow line. So to make sure that happens, I'm plotting points on my GPS. Just plot the points. Right there, look at that, boom. Coordinates. A lot of people have failed to know how to do this. Calculate.
Proceed to highlighted route.
See what it looks like. Basically what I'm doing is I'm picking up out in the country and I'm making sure that my GPS keep me on the truck route from Nashville out in the country. One second. There it is right there. So I'm picking up out here in the country and I'm making sure that I get back on this highway and get back on the interstate. Now if I just put the address in, it's basically gonna start going somewhere right in here. You know, it's gonna start taking shortcuts because you didn't tell the GPS that you only want to stay on one particular route. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm telling my GPS I want to get off the interstate here and take this truck route, take these points. You know, I'm picking up right here at this point right here. And when I pick up, I want to continue on that route, come down here. You know, let me do it one more time. See how I'm plotting these points? Gotta plot the points. So after I hit that point right there, wrong button. I'm gonna hit this last button here. Add that to the active route. Put that as the last point. Now when I get to that last point, I'm basically gonna be back on the interstate. So now
proceed to highlighted route.
Now I can put my final destination. We're just gonna put. Let me look for a gas station. I want y'all to know where I'm going. We're gonna put Jacksonville because that's where I'm going. We'll look for a pilot in Jacksonville just for the sake of this video. Jacksonville, Florida. We're just gonna put that right there. Add that to the active route all the way to the end.
Proceed to highlighted route.
Okay, let it calculate. Now this is just a cheap GPS. All the GPSs do this. That's why I never spent too much money on my GPS. It was really just knowing how to use the GPS is really all it's about. I'm only doing this video because I'm waiting to find the empty. I'm out here on the yard and they ain't got no empties out here, so I'm waiting for a message to come through telling me where I can get me an empty from. I just got my base plates put on over there at the shop. Check out the trailer over there. One of our drivers topped the trailer. If y'all ever seen a top trailer, that's what it looks like there. They sealed it back up. They just use it to I guess put supplies and tools in there. Hopefully this guy right here got empty. If he got empty, I'm gonna take his trailer. But yeah, back to it. Plotting points. Alright, we got a 12-hour trip. Zooming out. Let's take a look at this route. Okay, so going out there in the country, coming back through. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Okay, fuel right there in Chattanooga, of course. And it's going on down to Florida. Look at that route. See how I did that? And when I get to the, now if I wanted to go ahead and tell it where to go, what streets to take at the shipper, you know, I could put the address in for the shipper, then put the plots, you know. Y'all get the idea. Now, one thing about the GPS is going to take me through downtown Atlanta. So, if I don't want to take my ass through downtown Atlanta, I need to tell the GPS. Watch this, I'm just going to go ahead and do it for you. Tell the GPS to hit that bypass right there. How do you tell the GPS to take that bypass? Just touch the bypass. You gotta wait for the actual street to pop up. Oh, I hit it. Wait a minute, 1 second. I just hit it, but I clicked away. Let's see if I can get it again. Oop, that's not it. Almost. I gotta zoom that one. There we go. Alright, that's the bypass. Active route. Scroll it all the way down. We're gonna put it right there because that's before Florida. Hit done.
Proceed to highlighted route.
Give me 1 second. I need to see if it's still got empty or not. Zoom in on the back of that trailer, see if I can see if it's empty. Get it more focus, wait for them to come through. I can't too much tell. It don't look like it's not no now. I'm gonna go check in just a second. I see where he parked it. Back to it. So we got the route. We know we're getting fuel in Chattanooga. I got to program that fuel spot for Chattanooga, which is right there. I gotta put that in. I haven't did that yet. Now look at that. It's gonna take the bypass. You see it? Look at that. It's gonna take that bypass, that Atlanta bypass, and it's gonna reconnect us back on that route to Florida. So this is how you stop the GPS from taking you under some kind of low breeze.